Good morning, day 46 of 75 Hard. You know, if you don't know, I own a gym, and people often ask, what's the busiest time that you train? And it's always 5 a.m. The 5 a.m. squad shows up every day, full force. Doesn't matter what day it is. Today's Thursday. If you didn't know, Thursday's National I'm Gonna Skip the Gym Day. Forget about the weekend, but like Monday through Friday, Thursday's the day most people skip. It's always been that. My entire training career, 20-something years, doesn't matter where I've trained, that's always the case. But the reason I think that 5 a.m. always shows up is because they made the decision last night that they were coming to the gym. They didn't wake up and let their feelings dictate anything, because we should never let our feelings dictate our disciplines. Whatever the things are that we say we're committed to doing, not just saying it, we just do those things whether we feel like it or not, because most of the time we don't feel like it. Like, I don't feel like working out most of the time. I don't feel like drinking a gallon of water. I don't feel like peeing all morning, but I do it because that's what I committed to. And I think the early risers, 5 a.m., 6 a.m., it doesn't matter what time really, but I think the people that made the decision last night that they're going to get up and go to the gym, they got their stuff laid out, the routines in place. The only thing that's going to get in the way is sleep. And yeah, there's extenuating circumstances, but really, the only thing that's going to get in your way is sleep this early in the morning. Now, you work out at 8, 9, 10, afternoon. There's 1,000 things that can get in the way. You mean like, I'll do it later, and then you don't do it later. Things come up. I get it. But again, you don't have to wake up early to be successful, but success leaves clues. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. All right, folks, day 46 is a wrap. Just got done having a 5K festival in my living room with my toddler because for whatever reason, every night he gets the zoomies. Y'all have pets who, like, you know, right before bed, they start running around doing laps in the house. Well, that's what my toddler does. He runs laps in the house at night at 8:30 when we're trying to get him to go to bed. And then we're like, hey, let's go get your jams on. And he takes off sprinting. So then we do that for 10 more minutes before we get to him. So if you're on 75 hard and you need a third workout of the day, have a toddler. You can do some laps at night. It's kind of fun. You know, it's one of those things, like if you're a parent, you know you're gonna miss it one day. And in the moment, you just kind of have to remind yourself of that and have fun and enjoy it and soak up those moments, because that's all it's all about. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see y'all tomorrow.